We know there's a lot of fear and uncertainty throughout our county caused by COVID-19 and changes to our way of life since the outbreak. Some are out of work and struggling to make ends meet. Emotions are high, and our community is looking at us to provide practical, common-sense solutions. Putting undue stress on our residents by releasing a record number of inmates into the community goes against our mission of providing law enforcement solutions that meet the needs of our communities. The change to zero bail for arrestees dramatically compromises our community's sense of safety and well-being. It is our moral and ethical obligation to voice opposition to the unwarranted release of these inmates under the zero bail criteria. Implementing zero bail does not apply only to new arrestees. Hundreds of inmates who have been in our custody for months and even years in some cases are in the process of being released as I speak. Hundreds of inmates who were previously arraigned by our local judges who used their years of experience and discretion and decided to keep them in custody. Inmates are held in county jails for a variety of reasons. Some are considered a danger to the public, and some are flight risks. But blindly gifting zero bail is undoing hundreds of decisions previously made by our local judges. The impact of zero bail to public safety is significant and immediate. As an example, an inmate in our custody with a prior conviction of child abuse and domestic violence was arrested on a new charge of felony child abuse. Due to the zero bail criteria, this inmate was released from custody and given a new court date in July. Based on this process, we are unable to hold this criminal in custody to ensure he does not recontact, live with, or cause additional harm to the victim. We believe the original intent of zero bail was to alleviate jail overcrowding and slow the spread of COVID-19. Currently, our jail population is well below our average, and we have sufficient bed space to isolate and quarantine inmates. The inmates in our custody receive excellent medical treatment and oftentimes have access to health care more readily than those not in jail. This mandate may further embolden criminals to commit crimes because there will be delayed, if any, consequences for their criminal behavior. The effects of zero bail on the county could be devastating. This is not in the best interest of the communities we're sworn to protect and serve.